In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your free Google Gemini API key. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is firstly, just go ahead and open up your browser of choice, but I'd recommend using Google Chrome, and then go over to aistudio.google.com. Then I'm just going to go ahead and acknowledge this stuff. Go ahead and press continue, and now it's going to look like this. Make sure you're signed into your account. Look at the left sidebar and you're going to see get API key as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now what I want to do is press create API key, which is on the top right, and then it's going to say Gemini API key, and I can do default Gemini project or anything else. Then go ahead and press create key right there. And then it's going to allow me to create an API key for me to use. And yeah, it's as simple as that. As you can see, my API key is right there, and it shows the project name, project number, and everything else. I can then copy key and then put it wherever I want.